Joe Flaherty is my name. I'm a county councillor here in Longford town for the Fianna Fáil party. I'm also the Fianna Fáil candidate in the general election for Longford Westmeath. I'm hugely honoured to be representing the people of Longford. I was extremely fortunate that I grew up in Longford, which is 10 miles out the road, and I'm equally fortunate that I'm now living here in Longford town with my young family. We eat, sleep and breathe Longford. I think it's a wonderful community. I don't think I would like to live anywhere else in the world besides Longford. I'm hugely proud of everything that we've achieved. It hasn't been easy. We've missed out in terms of development, in terms of infrastructure, and I think we've been very much the poor relation, particularly since 2011 in terms of national planning and national strategy. When I go into politics, I've gone in for a very simple reason. I want to leave this community in a better place in which I found it. I was very fortunate to grow up in Lanesborough. In subsequent years, I was lucky enough to marry a woman here from Longford town, and this is our home here in Longford town, and I still see that same community. And even though the last 10 years have been very tough for Longford, I think the one thing that drives Longford people is their belief in themselves, but also their belief in their community. And that's why I've put myself forward for political life, and why I'm determined to effect change, and as I said, leave Longford in a much better place. It has changed rapidly over the last 10 years, and in particular we welcome the new Irish community, who are now a hugely important part of our community here in Longford. And I think really, if you look at what Fianna Fáil is striving to achieve, not only here at local level but also at national level, it's very much a message of inclusion, very much a message of solidarity. We're building a new Ireland for all, and a new Ireland of inclusivity, and I'm delighted to be part of that voyage.